Presenting Amazon Basics Steel Zero Gravity Reclining Lounge Portable Chair. The chair is made of powder-coated steel frame and Textilene fabric. The Zero Gravity outdoor chair provides a stress-free, weightless feel for optimal relaxation. The frame gives it strength as well as lightweight portability. The double bungee support system securely connects the weather-resistant Textilene fabric to the frame, and it offers comfortable breathability and doesn't retain heat. The chair features a padded headrest and gently contoured armrests, and the weight capacity is 90 kilograms. The chair comes in 4 color variants of black, beige, blue and red. The dimensions of this chair are 43.3 inches in length by 25.5 inches in width by 35.5 inches in height, and it weighs 7.5 kilograms. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery and installation of this product at a day and time of your convenience. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.